This video tutorial I will explain how to apply AroundAdvice using regular expression method point cut advisor. Advice indicate the action we need to take before the method execution or after the method execution. Point cut indicate which method we should intercept. We can intercept the method by method name or regular expression pattern. In this example, we will see how to intercept the method by regular expression pattern. Advisor is nothing but a group of advice and point cut into a single unit. Here I have defined the class employee service. It has three methods: get employee name, get employee age, and get employee address. Here I have defined the class AroundAdvice, which implements method interceptor interface and provide implementation of invoke method. We will see how to apply AroundAdvice only for get employee age method and get employee address method, and do not apply AroundAdvice for get employee name method. This is a Spring configuration XML. Here I have created bin for employee service class, AroundAdvice class, regular expression method point cut advisor class. This class has two properties. The first one is patterns. Here I have specified the regular expression pattern. This pattern matches with two methods in the employee service class. The methods are get employee age and get employee address. So those two methods AroundAdvice will be applied. In advice property, I have referred as AroundAdvice. Here I have created bin for proxy factory bin class. It has two properties. The first one is target. I have referred as employee service, and second one is interceptor names. I have put employee advisor. So employee advisor will be applied to employee service class. In employee service class, the two methods which satisfy this regular expression pattern, the AroundAdvice will be applied. In practice, suppose you want to intercept all the DAO methods, then we can use this regular expression pattern. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, and calling get employee name method, get employee age method, and get employee address method. And here you can see the output, and here you can see AroundAdvice is applied for get employee age method and get employee address method, and it is not applied for get employee name method. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.